What's up, you guys? My name is Nia, and today I'll be tackling my kitchen using a few products from ShopRite's household product line, PaperBird. PaperBird is sold exclusively at ShopRite and partner retailers with quality products to help keep up with life's everyday messes. I'm starting off by loading the dishwasher to get that going so I can move on to other areas in my kitchen. I'll be using the dishwasher detergent packs that make doing dishes so much easier and comes in 3 different packaging sizes ranging from 18 to 43. There were a few items that needed to be hand washed, so I'll be using the PaperBird's premium long cuff latex gloves, the thermal scrubber, and the dish soap in scent orange. The gloves fit true to size. I'm wearing a size large, but I definitely could have went down a size. My stovetop desperately needed some help, and I was really excited to use the scouring pads to give it a good deep cleaning and get rid of all of the grease and grime that built up. I thought I was going to have to put a lot of elbow grease in, but the scouring pads were super easy to use and the dirt and grime literally slid right off. Then I went in with the heavy-duty scrubber and sponge because it allowed me to scuff off the grease a little bit more while also giving me the soft sponge side to wipe everything off. Using the same heavy-duty scrubber and sponge, I wiped down my microwave as well. Once the microwave was fully wiped down, I dried everything off with a few sheets of the ultra strong paper towels. To wash the microwave glass plate and cover, I went back in with the dish soap and thermal scrubber. The last thing I needed to tackle was my sink. I used the same scouring pad to thoroughly scrub my sink clean. I was really impressed by the different sponges because each one of them could be used to tackle multiple areas of my home. PaperBird provides great products to help you take care of your home with ease. Check out your local ShopRite today.